Good day everyone, I am Engine Cadet Swabal. For today's video, we're gonna tackle about the laws of thermodynamics. But before that, I would like to say that please share and like and subscribe. Have you ever wondered how a giant ship is floating cities? Actually, power across motion is not magic, it's thermodynamics, mate. Let's dive into how the laws of thermodynamics literally keep the marine engines and the world moving. So the first law of thermodynamics is all about energy conservation. You can't create energy from nothing, you can only convert it on a ship display. Take a marine diesel engine. It starts with chemical energy, the fuel. Let's say marine diesel oil, when that fuel burns, it transfers into heat energy. That heat is used to make the engine piston smooth. And voila! Mechanical energy propels the ship forward. Nothing wasted. It's all about changing energy from one form to another. Now, the second law is where things get really interesting. Let's say energy transformations are perfectly efficient. Some energy always gets lost usually. As heat. If you ever touch the side of ship engine's room, you'll know it's frozen in there. That's the second law in action. Engineers use this knowledge to design better heat exchange and cooling system, making sure the engines don't overheat and waste energy. In fact, some modern ships recycle waste heat to generate extra electricity. Talk about smart engineering. Then there's entropy, a weird word that just means disorder. The second law tells us that over time, things get messier. Energy spread out and it becomes harder to harness. That's why ships needs. If we ignore entropy, things break down, lubricants get contaminated, pipes corrode, and engines become less efficient. Thermodynamics isn't just about powering ships, it's about keeping them running smoothly. Trip of the trip. The third law, well, it's a bit more theoretical saying. You can't actually reach absolute zero temperature on the ship. This means you'll never had 100% efficient engine. There always been some heat losses to the surroundings. Engineers know this, so they design system to handle these losses, making ship but never perfect. So next time you see a massive container ship gliding across the sea, remember, it's not brute force, it's a dance of energy transformation and clever engineering, all thanks to the laws of thermodynamics. Whatever is converting fuel into motion, dealing with waste heat, or fighting entropy, this law keep the marine industry afloat. Literally, pretty cool, right? Thermodynamics isn't just textbook topic, it's a backbone of modern world. And stay tuned, who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one designing the next generation of super efficient ships.